Hi, I'm Chris from Ardent Edge at Mooto UK. We are doing some product showcases because we're struggling to get to competitions because they're already booked out with different suppliers. So rather than us coming to you to be able to see them, we thought we'd bring the products to you via video, basically. So we've got two products today that I want to show you. We've got the groin guard for male and female. In terms of who it's for, basically it's for anyone that's competing or anyone that's doing any sparring within your clubs, really. So yeah, you should be obviously recommending that all your students wear groin guards when they're doing sparring. And obviously competition, it's a must, right? So in terms of sizes for the female groin guard, we've got XXS, XS, S, and medium. And then for the male, we've got XXS, extra small, small, medium, and large. For male groin guard. So we'll start off with the female groin guard. Just grab it out of the packet. As you can see, it's World Taekwondo approved. So we've got the World Taekwondo logo just on here, as you can see. And in terms of kind of fastening and stuff like that, as you can see, it's got elastics, really robust elastic, to be honest with you. On the back of it here, I'll show you on the model as well in a second. And then fastening wise, we've got like a double Velcro. So we've got Velcro on one part of it, so you can put it on from that perspective. And then you can take it completely off as well. So place that back on there, and I'll just show you the back of it kind of on the mannequin, on the model. So if I just bring up over there. So that's the back of the groin guard there, how it's going on. Okay, durability wise, stitching wise, it looks really, really good. There's no, as you can see, there's no kind of any areas of stitching that are kind of loose or coming off or fraying or anything like that that you may get on some other competitor ones. I know we've had some of our own students in the past that they've torn here and things like that, but these are obviously the kind of quality you'd expect from Mooto, really. So that's the female groin guard. And then if we could just run through very quickly the male groin guard as well. So again, we've got male groin guard, which again, World Taekwondo approved. As you can see, they've got the logo at the top here. And then very similar kind of fastening, if you like, but it's, instead of it being on the front here, it is actually on the back on the male one. So we've got the Velcro there at the back, and then also another part of Velcro here that comes off. So again, you can completely kind of put it on, makes it putting it on so much easier, basically, rather than having to constantly try and just stand in it each time. So again, stitching wise and quality, as you can see, it's like no frayed, no kind of bits being left and pulled and stuff like that you get on some products. Very, very good quality, as you can imagine, really, and expect from the Mooto brand. So yeah, that's the female and the male MTX groin guards. They do come with kind of a sizing little guide and kind of some washing instructions within the bag as well. And in terms of sizes, on our website we've got a sizing kind of chart, a table that gives you a bit of an idea of what you need. So if you need any help with any sizing, I think just reach out to us, ping us an email, info@ardentedge.co.uk. Either myself or Vicky will get back to you as soon as you possibly can. So yep, any other questions that you've got, just chuck it in the comments, please. We will answer those in the comments, or we'll do a follow-up video answering those questions. So yeah, website address, www.ardentedge.co.uk. Thanks very much.